And myself Damini Gupta, BMS first year student batch 2018 and 19, Shri Ram Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Meerut. My topic is anatomy of kidney. Kidney are a pair of excretory organs situated on the posterior abdominal wall, one on each side of the vertebral column behind the peritoneum. They are reddish brown in color. Location: the kidneys occupy the epigastric, hypochondric, lumbar, and umbilical region. The right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. Dimensions: length 11 cm long, breadth 6 cm broad, thickness 3 cm thick, weight 150 gram in males, 135 gram in females. External feature: each kidney is bean shaped. It has two poles, two borders, two surface, and hilum. Two poles: the upper pole is broad, the lower pole is pointed. Two borders: the lateral border is convex, the medial border is concave. Two surface: the anterior surface is said to be irregular, the posterior surface is flat. Its middle part show a depression, the hilus or hilum. Hilum. It has following structures seen from anterior side to posterior side: the renal vein, the renal artery, the renal pelvis. Relations: the kidneys are retroperitoneal organs and are only partly covered by peritoneum anteriorly. Anterior relations: anteriorly, the right kidney is related to liver, duodenum, and hepatic flexure of ascending colon. The left kidney is related to the stomach, duodenum, pancreas, spleen, and descending colon. Adrenal gland is superior and anterior to the kidneys. Posterior relation: posteriorly, the kidneys are related to rib 12th, the diaphragm, psoas major, quadratus lumborum, and transverse abdominis muscles, subcostal vessels, ilioinguinal nerve, and iliohypogastric nerve, medial and lateral ligaments. Capsules or coverings of the kidney. First is fibrous capsule. The kidney is invested by a fibrous capsule which forms a firm, smooth covering to the organ. Second is pararenal or paranephric fat. This is a layer of adipose tissue lying outside the fibrous capsule and fill up the extra space in the renal sinus. Third is renal fascia. The renal fascia is a layer of connective tissue covering the kidneys and the adrenal glands. It can be divided into the anterior renal fascia called Gerota's fascia, the posterior renal fascia called Zuckerkandl's fascia. Renal or paranephric body, that is fat. It consists of a variable amount of fat lying outside the renal fascia. Structure of kidney: an outer reddish brown cortex and inner pale medulla are space the renal sinus. The renal medulla is made up of about 10 conical masses called renal pyramids. The renal cortex is divisible into two parts: cortical arches, renal columns. Each pyramid along with the overlying cortical arch form a lobe of kidney. The renal sinus is a space that extends into the kidney from hilus. It contains branches of renal artery, tributaries of the renal vein, the renal pelvis. Structure of uniferous tubule. The uniferous tubule are small minute tubules present in the kidneys. It contains proximal tube, the intermediate tube, the distal tube, and the collecting duct in it. Each kidney has 1 to 3 million of uniferous tubules. Each tubule consists of two parts: the excretory part called nephron, which is the functional unit of kidney and comprises of renal corpuscle or Malpighian corpuscle, and the renal tubule, that is proximal collivated tubule, distal collivated tubule, and loop of Hanle. The collecting part which begins as a junctional tubule from the distal collivated tubule. Segments: the renal artery gives 5 segmental branches, 4 from its anterior division: apical, upper, middle, and lower. On posterior aspect, segments seen are posterior parts of apical and lower segments. Supply of kidney: abdominal aorta at L level 1 transfer blood to renal artery, to the segmental artery, to interlobar artery, to arcuate artery, to interlobular artery, to efferent arteriole, to glomerulus, then efferent arteriole, then peritubular capillaries, to the interlobular vein, to arcuate vein, then interlobar vein, then renal, and finally reaches to inferior vena cava. Drainage: each kidney drain into lateral aortic nodes. Nerve supply: kidney is supplied by the renal plexus. It contains sympathetic fibers which are chiefly vasomotor. Clinical anatomy: congenital anomalies, unilateral bilateral agenesis, horseshoe kidney, congenital polycystic disease, ectopic kidney. Abnormal renal arteries may arise from aorta or supramesenteric artery, infections, and renal failure. Thank you for watching this video.